So here's a really fun way to incorporate just a little bit of hands-on engineering into your community cube project. So as your students are starting to build out their cubes, they're going to start with two squares and typically at least one connector. Some students might use two connectors on the junction and some might use one. This is a great place to stop all of your students and ask them to make some simple observations. Holding a piece of cardboard and just rotating their hand back and forth, they'll notice that if they're using only one connector, which we will call a hinge at this moment, will not give them quite the structural integrity as if the students are using two connectors on their first wall. So here's an example of two connectors, and you can see you can pretty much do anything with this and it's not going to go anywhere. An equivalent to that in the classroom would be asking your students to look at the door that they came in when they walked into the classroom and noticing how many hinges are used on their door. It's going to likely be 2 or 3 hinges. And in that case, it's a perfect example of how engineering works in the real world compared to what they're doing in the classroom. So again, if there was one hinge on their door, there's a good chance that one of the door might kind of rotate off and like hurt somebody. So again, great example of just introducing observation and a little bit of hands-on engineering into their community cube project as they build out their cubes.